Hello, I am Anuj Nakade and you're watching LiveLaw. In this video, we bring you news of a very important judgment from the Supreme Court with regard to the appeals arising from the orders of the Armed Forces Tribunal. The Armed Forces Tribunal is a dispute resolution body for the members of the Indian Armed Forces, which is the 12 lakh active personnel and the 9 lakh reserved personnel in the institution. Whenever a dispute arises in respect of service conditions of the armed forces, such as promotion or punishment, the protocol is that the armed forces can approach the Armed Forces Tribunal, and the tribunal will then decide the disputes after hearing the counsel for the Army, the Navy, or the Air Force, and the counsel for the armed forces personnel in question. In the current case, the issue considered by the Supreme Court was, suppose an Armed Forces Tribunal decides an issue against a party. Where does one file an appeal? Should they file an appeal in the High Court or directly in the Supreme Court? The Armed Forces Tribunal Act of 2007 states that the appeal lies before the Supreme Court, but also creates the avenue for parties to approach the High Court. We know for a fact that earlier appeals against the orders of the Central Administrative Tribunal, or CAT, were filed directly in the Supreme Court. The direct filing of appeals against CAT orders was challenged on the ground that you cannot bypass a High Court, which is a constitutional court having the power of judicial review. The situation here is also similar. The court pondered on how and if a litigant could bypass the High Court and file an appeal in the Supreme Court against an order of the Armed Forces Tribunal. The issue was lingering on for some time, and the 2015 judgment of the Supreme Court in Union of India versus Major General Shrikant Sharma created more confusion. In this judgment, the Supreme Court had barred the High Courts from hearing any challenges to the orders of the Armed Forces Tribunal. Finally, a three-judge bench of the Supreme Court comprising of Justice S.K. Kaul, Justice A.S. Oak and Justice B.V. Nagaratna has passed a judgment stating that an appeal can be filed in the High Court against the order of the Armed Forces Tribunal. The affected parties, which is the entirety of our armed forces personnel, could benefit from this ruling, as it is a categorically costly affair to approach the Supreme Court while burdening the Supreme Court as the first and the only forum coming from the Armed Forces Tribunal. That's all we have for you in this video. For a detailed report and the full judgment, please visit our website. We will also ensure to leave a link down in the description to the full article. If you found the video informative, please like the video and tell us in the comments how we can shape our content to bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.